Hey guys, it's your girl Georgette. What's up? How y'all doing out there? Before we get into this, guys, if you like my videos, subscribe to your girl channel, man. Click on the red bell there. If you like what I'm giving to you so I can give you more, you gotta subscribe so you can always get notifications that I have a latest video, guys. Come on now. Subscribe to your girl channel and give me some love. Give me some hearts. Give me some hearts. I love, 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 love. Like I love you. Today I'm going to talk about my morning routine. And guys, we know that our morning routine has a profound effect on our day and on our life. So, how do you start your morning? I can't hear you. Okay, for me, how do I start my morning? So, the minute my eyes are open, guys, the first thing I do is I go into prayer. So, the minute my eyes are open, I roll over and I start to pray. And after prayer, I have a long list of gratitude. I go right into gratitude. I go into gratitude for waking me up this morning because, guys, we know that the only thing that we are promised is right now. We are present right now, and that's all we are promised. This very moment. You can go to bed and never wake up again. You can go out and never return home. Accident, something happened. So I am grateful for this moment. And then I move my arms and my legs. And I said, I'm so grateful for my limbs. I'm so grateful for my 10 fingers, my 10 toes, right? So I go into gratitude. Then the very next thing I do, I go into meditation. Because, guys, before the world come at you, you have to calm yourself. You have to implement what it is that you want in your mind before you allow the news, the cell phone messages, the call that someone died, that someone is sick, that someone met in an accident, before you allow all the social media, the Facebook, the Instagram, before you even go on your phone, guys, you have to put in your mind what it is you want. Because when you just wake up in the morning, your mind, it's very suggestible. You're in alpha state. And so you can implement new thoughts. You can implement your goals being accomplished already. You can visualize yourself as if you are already living your dream life. For me, it's me holding my door handle to my dream home and opening the doors and my feet on the beautiful slippery marble tile. It's me driving my dream vehicles in my garage. And so, first thing in the morning, you can implement those and visualize seeing it already happening. It's already happening, guys. You can place that thought in your mind and live your dream life right there for the first 20 minutes in the morning. And I do that every morning. Okay? So then after meditation, guys, I sleep with this right next to my bed. I got this bottle when I was in Las Vegas at the Venetian. And I fill this up every night. And this sleeps next to my bed. Because when you're asleep, guys, we perspire. Our hair is growing and our nails are growing. You use the restroom, so you're becoming dehydrated. So first thing in the morning, you have to rehydrate. And so right after meditation, I would take the cover off and I would drink the entire bottle. All of it I would drink at once. And so, because you got to rehydrate, so you have to take care of your mind. You have to take care of the entire man, your mind, your spirit, your soul. And so after drinking that, then I would go into my affirmations. And what are affirmations, guys? They are just positive words declaring that you've already accomplished your goals. Okay? And so, but you got to say it with passion. So I would go into about 10 minutes of affirmation and really express with passion. I am strong. I am powerful. I am wealthy. I am abundance. I am rich. I am amazing. I am healthy in my mind and in my body. I am successful. So you're saying your affirmations as if it's already done. You've already accomplished it, right? So, and words are very positive, guys. Words are positive. Words become life. Once you release them, you give life to them. So say your affirmations with power and conviction. And so that's my 10-minute affirmation for the day. And then when I'm done, I would go downstairs. And most mornings I would do a nice protein shake. Yeah, because you got to take care of yourself, guys. That's why some people go out throughout the day and they're so tired, or they're luggy and they're walking with their shoulders down. But you have to take care of your body. If I don't make a protein shake, then I would do some oatmeal, right? And so I feel good throughout the day, guys. I really, really, really do. Most days, most all days, I practice that and I feel good throughout the day. So that is my morning routine. I wake up first with prayer as my eyes are open. I say my gratitude, what I have now that I'm grateful for. And I like to use things that money can't buy, like my health, like my arms, my 10 fingers. So I like to say things that I have, a roof over my head. So I like to say things, not just a vehicle or stuff. I like to say my health, my 2 children, my parents, both parents are alive. And after gratitude, I go into reading my scripture for the day and my devotional. And then I go into affirmations. And then I make my protein shake. I drink my water. I shape my morning. And in doing so, I am shaping my entire life, guys. That's all I have for you. I hope this gave you value. You can leave below what are some of your morning habits and how it has shaped your life. Now, you can have bad habits that will shape your life as well. So bad habits can shape your life as well in a bad way. But positive attitude, habits like those, you're going to get positive results over time, guys. For sure. It's a seed you're planting every morning, and you're going to reap the fruit from that seed. Take care, guys. Sending you light and much love. Mwah.